Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, I'll be making Mrs. Dash Pineapple Spicy Lime Chicken. It's a one-sheet pan meal. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from Mrs. Dash's website. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe at. To our bowl, we're going to add, I have Fiesta lime. I did add a little bit of Stop Your Mama spicy in it just for the top, just to give it a little bit of heat and a little bit of salt, not too much. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of oil. I'm just going to spray my little container. And 2 teaspoons of lime juice. We're going to mix this together. Then we're going to add our chicken. You're going to want to make sure your chicken is pat dry because it will soak up more of the oils and the marinade than if you had it wet. I'm using chicken tenders. You can use breasts, but you're going to need to cut them down to make them skinny and small. We're going to give it a good mix. Okay, that's mixed. Looks like it's mixed up well. We're going to put to the side. To another bowl, we're going to add more olive oil. One teaspoon. Okay, and another teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. We're going to give this a good mix. To this bowl, we're going to add 1 onion slice. So I have sliced my onion. We're going to add a bell pepper, my stuffed bell pepper soup. I'll leave a link down below where you can see that video at. So some of them are big, some are little. It's fine with me because I don't like cooked bell peppers. Got one big one left. Let's break it up. And I couldn't find pineapple, so I'm using canned pineapple. I'm going to add a little bit of the juice. A little more. I'm going to add a little more Mrs. Dash on top. And a little bit more oil. Just to get a good coating. So we're going to pour this in. I'm going to try to leave the juice. I don't want to take that out. Because then you'll steam this, bake it. So I'll take what I can out. We're going to spread this out. Chicken we just got done doing. And we're going to nestle it right on in. So you're just going to try to lay it flat. Just got to move it around. Just put a little bit of my flavor on top. Cover all the brown up. Well, my parchment paper. And we're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. So, I'm going to turn it in 15. I'll see you back in 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. We're going to turn it, but I always like to check to see where we're at on the chicken so I can predict how much longer I need it in. We want it at 165. So I'm going to put my gray thermometer in. I'm at 147 at the moment. So I'm going to turn the chicken this way. I'm going to put it in for my chicken in 10 minutes. Our time is up. It is fully cooked. I put it on the broiler just for a couple minutes so we can try to get a crispy top. It does look delicious. And here, our delicious Mrs. Dash spicy pineapple chicken. We're going to put a little bit of cilantro on top just to give it a beautiful color. If you can't have cilantro, you can always parsley, or you don't like cilantro. And there, our one sheet pan dinner is ready. It smells really great in here. And now it's time to dish up our chicken and pineapple. And now it's time to eat. And now for the best part. We're going to try our one sheet meal, spicy pineapple and chicken from Mrs. Dash. Let's give it a taste of the chicken first. Really good. For me, not too spicy, not too salty because I did add a little extra to mine. Really good. I liked it. Let's try it with the pineapple and the vegetables. Get all the veggies and some chicken. Even better with the veggies. You can cut this up, throw it in a tortilla, and you're gonna make little fajitas out of this. Really good and so simple. You can serve it over rice. I'm having a side salad with it today. I wanted a quick, easy, simple meal. Just really did the trick. And it tastes so good. Feels like you worked hours and you really didn't. It was done in about 45 minutes to an hour. Really a quick meal. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. Please like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see me make what recipe you'd like to see me to make. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!